Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video today we are going to see how we can quickly upload an object into our S3 bucket, and this video is part of the AWS quick tutorials playlist which I have in my channel. So if you have not subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon to get the continuous updates whenever a new video is uploaded to my channel. So let's get started. So over here I have my AWS S3 Management Console open. Okay, so I will quickly go to the S3 service from here. And over there you can see the bucket which I have created in an earlier video. So over here I'll just go inside the bucket and you will see that you have an option for upload here. So I'll just quickly click on that option, and over here there are two options for adding the files directly to my bucket or adding a folder. So a folder is very similar to the folder that you have got in your laptop or in your desktop, so you can create a folder and then add objects inside it, or you can directly add files over here. So for this demo I'll just quickly go ahead and add files from my laptop. So I'll choose this first object, which is just an image file, and once I press upload, the object gets uploaded into this particular S3 bucket. Now I'll close this dialog and you can see the object is now available under my S3 bucket. It's of type PNG. It was last modified in this timestamp, and it has a size of 1.2 megabytes, and this is the S3 storage class, which is very important, that is associated with this particular object. We'll read about the storage class in another video, but we can see that the object is now uploaded. Now if I click on this object, I can quickly press this button open to open it in a browser. Now since it's an image file, it will render in my browser, and you can see that the image is now available and it is being served from an S3 URL, actually confirming that the object is successfully uploaded in our S3 bucket. So that's it from this demo point of view. I will see you in another video soon. So thank you very much for seeing this, and if you have liked this video, do like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.